welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, it's just going to be me getting ready, really, to be honest. I've realized that I haven't done my makeup on camera in so long, so I thought it's about time that I get on camera and show you guys how I beat the face. I hope you guys really do enjoy this video, and let's jump straight into it. I think I might do my eyes first, so I'm going to prime my lids and also carve out my brows with the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Concealer Pomade. This is in the shade 0.5 Light Medium. I really enjoyed how that concealer performed because I usually carve my eyebrows out with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Coverage Concealer, which is amazing for under the eyes and carving out brows and priming your lids and stuff, and this just worked really well. I'm just going to set down that concealer with the lighter shade of the NYX No Filter powder. I'm just going to be using my Z palette today with a bunch of single shadows from Sephora, Colourpop and Makeup Geek. I'm going to pick up this shade here called Poppy from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to apply that in the crease. I don't know what I'm really actually doing, I'm not gonna lie. I have a look in my mind and I'm gonna try and create it. So let's just see how we go. Then I'm gonna pick up some of this shade here, which is Frappe from Makeup Geek as well. I'm also going to pop that in the crease. Not as high as Poppy though. I'm just taking Cocoa Bear and I'm just kind of applying that in the outer V and also connecting that on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to pick up Mocha. This is like a neutral dark brown. Pretty much going in the exact same area as I did with Cocoa Bear. I'm going to pick up this purpley, dark purple shade from Colourpop. I forgot what it's called. Right in the corner. Original colour that we went in. And I'm just going to kind of blend over the top of this. The NYX metallic glitter in the shade Goldstone. And I want to apply that on my lid. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Glitter Glue. I'm going to pour some of this glitter in this cap and apply it where that glitter glue is. Look at that glitter. It's so stunning. I've just grabbed a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean up under my eyes. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but I need to finish the rest of the face to soften these lines. So we're going to move on to the face now. I'm going to be trying out the NYX Angel Veil Primer. As I've said a million times on my channel, I've been wanting this primer for such a long time. I can't get over how weird my face looks right now. I'm going to put like a dollop in my hand and then apply it. This feels very nice. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow, and I'm super tan at the moment, so I'm thinking this actually might suit me for once. Do you reckon it's too dark? It's definitely a little too dark. Wow. I don't know if this is going to go how I planned, but we're going to see anyway. I'm going to go in with my NYX No Filter concealer. And I'm going to put a pretty heavy amount of this on to try and colour correct this foundation because your girl looks crazy. Okay, I think I kind of colour corrected my mess that I've made, which is just fab. So I need to set this down. I'm going to take some of the, again, NYX No Filter powder in the lightest shade they have, and I'm going to pick up some of that and press that into the skin. Yes, she's going to be stark white. I don't know what I'm doing today. I don't know if this is going to look bad or good. I don't know anything. I'm going to try the Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in, what shade is this? 235 Pure Beige. Again, might not be my shade, but we're just gonna test it out. face and everything looks okay now. I don't know when the camera cut off, but I just picked up some of the same shades that I used for my eyeshadow and just blended out those harsh lines. I wanted to use this bronzer. This is the new L'Oreal Back to Bronze, but considering how orange I am today, I'm not quite sure this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a go. That's not gonna work for how orange I am today, so I've got to take my Give Me Sun by MAC, because your girl, there we go, is a little orange today, just a little. Around the forehead. I'm gonna take some of my Sweet Tea bronzer from Too Faced, and I'm just gonna bronze up this nose a little bit because she's looking a little pale. She's not really showing. She's not really out to play, really. Oh, I was gonna try the Morphe bronzers, but I forgot. Fuck it. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush. This is also new. I don't know. Shit. I don't know about this colour. Okay, that's not gonna work. Do I even have a new highlighter? I don't even know if I have a new highlighter. I am a hot mess today. I have this Morphe highlighter. Where is it? This one? Called Extra. I've tried it. I wasn't really into it. Maybe because I'm like orange right now, it might look good. So let's give this one a go. Oh, didn't really work last time I used it. It's definitely not my go-to colour. Jesus Christ, Mary, can you fucking talk properly? I'm just going to go over that with some of my favourite Colourpop Lustre Dust in Au Revoir. It looks so much better. Yes, it does. It does look better. Yes. And now I'm going to go ham all over my fucking face. All over the bloody face, hun. I'm just going to apply this. Go a little crazy. My makeup is fucking intense today. There's a lot on there. I'm fucking orange and I love it. I'm gonna put some brow gel through my brows just to bring them back to life because they kind of got a little bit lost. There's a pimple in my eyebrow. Far out, it's not my day. It's been a week. It's been a fucking week. It's been a fucking month. It's been a year. It's been a year, let me tell you. I'm feeling some type of way about this year. It's meant to be bloody good and it ended up being wild. Yep, that looks nice. So this is the Coffee Gel Liner from Morphe. Morphe has an Australian website now. Yes it does. Yes it does. That's why it's not on Beauty Bay anymore. No one told me that was happening. I didn't even know about it until the other day and I saw someone post about it and then I went on the Morphe website, the Morphe Instagram, and they were like, here's your Australian website, hun. And I was like, oh, marry me. And the pricing on the Morphe website is actually, in Australian dollars, is actually so good. Like really affordable. I need to put some mascara on. This is the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. Is it the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 811. I'm gonna use these today, I think. For my lip liner, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe pencil in the colour Spiffy. Now for my lipstick, I'm going to be using one of these two. These are the new Colour Rich from L'Oreal. I absolutely love these. These have become my new favourite lip products. I'm going to go in with 642. Oh my god, they're so sheer. Glossy. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling this look. You know how I told you at the beginning where I was like, bear with me. I'm just gonna set my face and then we're done. I'm gonna be using the NYX Matte Finish Spray. And this is the completed look finally after all of that hot mess. I told you guys that it would end up being alright and that it would work out. And I am in love with this look. This glitter, it's like the 4th time I've used it and it's like my favourite glitter I've ever come across. My skin looks so beautiful in person, like it looks so gorgeous. It literally just looks amazing. So yes, that's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want more videos like this where I just chill and kind of do my makeup and show you guys, like, I'm not perfect at makeup and sometimes it looks like a hot mess and then it ends up like this. Which I think it looks pretty good. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. My name is Mary. I make random makeup videos, beauty videos, and sometimes some Kmart videos. I'll leave my most recent videos here on the screen right now, so if you're in the mood to watch me, you can just click and do so. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. It honestly means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!